A Bulgaria Schengen Tourist Visa is a short-stay visa that allows eligible travelers to visit Bulgaria for tourism, holidays, sightseeing, visiting friends or family, and other short-term recreational purposes. Since Bulgaria is part of the Schengen area, travelers who require a visa for short stays generally apply for a Schengen Type C visa issued by Bulgaria. This visa is intended for temporary visits and does not allow long-term residence, permanent settlement, or employment in Bulgaria. The Bulgaria Schengen Tourist Visa is one of the most common visa categories requested by travelers who wish to explore Bulgaria's historic cities, mountain resorts, Black Sea coastline, cultural attractions, and natural landmarks. The visa can also be used by travelers whose primary destination is Bulgaria and who meet the requirements established by Bulgarian and Schengen immigration authorities. Before beginning the application process, the first step is determining whether a visa is actually required. Citizens of many countries can travel to Bulgaria and the Schengen area without a visa for short stays, while citizens of other countries must obtain a visa before traveling. Visa requirements depend on nationality, passport type, and individual circumstances. Travelers should verify whether they require a visa before making final travel arrangements. The next important concept every traveler should understand is the Schengen area. The Schengen area consists of European countries that have removed internal border controls between participating states. This allows travelers to move more freely between member countries once they have legally entered the Schengen area. Bulgaria participates in the Schengen system, meaning that eligible travelers entering with a valid Schengen visa may benefit from the unified travel framework established by participating countries. One of the most important rules associated with a Bulgaria Schengen tourist visa is the 90/180-day rule. This rule means that travelers may generally stay within the Schengen area for a maximum of 90 days during any rolling 180-day period. Immigration authorities continuously calculate the number of days spent inside the Schengen area. Exceeding the permitted stay can result in fines, deportation, entry bans, future visa refusals, and immigration complications. Travelers should carefully monitor their travel history to avoid overstaying. Once it has been confirmed that a visa is required, applicants should ensure that their passport meets all necessary requirements. The passport should generally have at least 2 blank pages available for visa stamps, should have been issued within the previous 10 years, and should remain valid for at least 3 months beyond the planned departure date from the Schengen area. Passports that are damaged or nearing expiration may create problems during the application process. The next step is completing the visa application form. The application form requires personal information such as full name, date of birth, nationality, passport details, address, employment information, travel plans, accommodation arrangements, and intended duration of stay. Every answer should be completed accurately and should match the information provided in supporting documents. Inconsistencies between documents may raise concerns and delay processing. Applicants must also provide recent passport-size biometric photographs. The photographs should meet official standards regarding dimensions, image quality, background color, facial visibility, and positioning. The applicant's face must be clearly visible without sunglasses, hats, or other items that obscure facial features unless required for recognized religious or medical reasons. Proof of travel arrangements is another important requirement. Applicants are usually expected to provide documentation showing their intended travel plans. This may include flight reservations, transportation bookings, travel itineraries, or other evidence demonstrating how and when they intend to enter and leave Bulgaria. Immigration authorities use this information to evaluate the credibility of the proposed trip. Accommodation documentation must also be provided. Travelers need to demonstrate where they will stay during their visit to Bulgaria. Acceptable evidence may include hotel reservations, apartment bookings, rental agreements, organized tour confirmations, or invitation letters from hosts. Accommodation documentation should generally cover the entire duration of the planned visit. Travel medical insurance is a mandatory requirement for most Bulgaria Schengen tourist visa applicants. The insurance policy typically must provide a minimum coverage of €30,000 and cover emergency medical treatment, hospitalization, urgent healthcare expenses, and repatriation. The insurance should remain valid throughout the travel period and cover Bulgaria as well as the Schengen area where applicable. Proof of financial means is one of the most heavily scrutinized parts of the application. Applicants must demonstrate that they possess sufficient funds to support themselves during their stay without relying on public assistance. Evidence may include bank statements, salary slips, employment records, pension statements, savings accounts, sponsorship letters, business income records, or tax documents. Immigration authorities want to ensure that visitors can cover accommodation, transportation, food, entertainment, and emergency expenses throughout their stay. Employment documentation often strengthens an application. Employees may submit a letter from their employer confirming position, salary, employment duration, approved leave, and expected return date. Self-employed applicants may provide business registration documents, tax filings, company bank statements, and evidence of ongoing commercial activity. Students may provide enrollment certificates, while retirees may submit pension records. These documents help establish strong ties to the applicant's home country. Strong ties to the home country are extremely important during the visa assessment process. Immigration authorities want evidence that applicants intend to return home after their trip. Such evidence may include stable employment, business ownership, property ownership, educational commitments, family responsibilities, financial obligations, or other significant connections to the country of residence. Applicants visiting friends or family in Bulgaria may need an invitation letter from their host. This letter should explain the relationship between the host and visitor, accommodation arrangements, travel purpose, and any financial support being provided. Supporting identification documents from the host may also be required. Minor applicants may need additional documents, such as birth certificates, parental consent forms, custody papers, copies of parents' passports, and travel authorization letters. These requirements help authorities verify that the trip is approved by the child's legal guardians. After gathering all required documents, applicants must book a visa appointment through the Bulgarian embassy, consulate, or authorized visa application center responsible for their area. Appointment availability depends on demand and season, so applying early is recommended. On the appointment day, applicants should bring their passport, photographs, application form, and all supporting documents. Missing or incomplete documents may result in delays or refusal. During the appointment, officials review the application and may ask questions about travel plans, accommodation, employment, finances, and previous travel history. Applicants should provide honest and consistent answers supported by documentation. Most applicants must provide biometric data, including fingerprints and a digital photograph. Previously collected fingerprints may remain valid for a limited period. Applicants must pay the required visa fee and any service charges. Fees can vary depending on nationality, age, and local processing arrangements. Applications are usually processed within about 15 calendar days, although additional reviews or busy periods may extend processing times. Applying well in advance of travel is strongly advised. When assessing an application, authorities consider financial resources, travel purpose, supporting documents, travel history, ties to the home country, accommodation arrangements, insurance coverage, and overall credibility. Their goal is to ensure the applicant intends to follow visa rules and leave the Schengen area before the authorized stay expires. A strong travel history can improve an application. Previous visas, entry stamps, and proof of lawful departures may help demonstrate compliance with immigration regulations. If approved, a visa sticker is placed in the passport showing validity dates, visa type, number of entries, and permitted duration of stay. Applicants should carefully check all information for accuracy. A Bulgaria Schengen tourist visa may be issued as a single entry, double entry, or multiple entry visa. Multiple entry visas allow several visits during the validity period while still respecting the 90/180-day rule. Visa approval does not guarantee entry. Border officials may still request proof of accommodation, return tickets, travel insurance, sufficient funds, and evidence supporting the purpose of the trip. Common reasons for refusal include insufficient funds, incomplete documentation, inconsistent information, inadequate insurance, weak ties to the home country, unclear travel purpose, previous immigration violations, suspicious travel arrangements, or false documents. Refused applicants usually receive an explanation and may be able to appeal or submit a new application with stronger evidence. A Bulgaria Schengen tourist visa is intended only for temporary visits. It does not authorize employment, permanent residence, or long-term stays. Other visa categories or residence permits are required for those purposes. Successful applicants typically provide complete documentation, strong financial evidence, clear travel plans, valid insurance, consistent information, and convincing ties to their home country. The Bulgaria Schengen tourist visa allows visitors to experience Bulgaria's cities, culture, coastline, mountains, history, and attractions while benefiting from Bulgaria's participation in the Schengen travel system. Understanding the requirements and following the rules helps ensure a smooth application process and successful trip.